Hello students, in this video we can solve simple problem in two-dimensional analytical geometry. So let's read the question. Determine whether the points -2, 1, 0, 0 and -4, -3 lies inside on or inside the circle. So the circle equation is given as x square plus y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. So if you read the question once again, we have to find the point lies inside, outside or on the circle. So we can write the solution, and the given is equation is given as x square plus y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. So we can write this as given, that is the equation of the circle. Then the next, if you read the question, we have to determine whether the points are lying inside the circle, on the circle or outside the circle. So before going into the answer, first we will understand there are 3 points in which the cases the points lies inside, outside or on the circle. So if we consider a circle, if the point, by substituting the value in the equation, if we get the value is greater than 0 means it lies outside the circle. And if you substitute the equation, if you get the value that is less than 0 means negative case. So in negative case it lies inside the circle. And another one case, if you substitute the value and if you get the value as 0, then the points lies on the circle. So these are the 3 possible cases for which the points lies inside, outside or on. So greater than means outside, less than means inside, if it is 0 on the circle. So now we will find for points -2, 1. So we will consider this as x, y. So if you substitute in the equation 1, we get in place of x we substitute 2 and in place of y we substitute 1. So -2 whole square plus 1 square minus 5 into -2 plus 2 into 1 minus 5. So -2 the whole square is 4. Minus will become positive. So 4 plus 1 minus 5 into -2, that is plus 10, then plus 2 minus 5. So now by adding we get the value as 17 minus 5, so that is 12. So if you see the condition, if the value is greater than 0, so this is automatically greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, then the points lies outside the circle. So now we can conclude as -2, 1 lies outside the circle, since value of 12 is greater than 0. So we can write directly as -2, 1 lies outside the circle. Next, we will substitute for the value 0, 0 in the equation. So, at 0, 0, the equation 1 becomes, so here the value of x is also 0, y is also 0. So, 0 square plus 0 square minus 5 into 0 plus 2 into 0 minus 5. So, 0 square means 0. If you multiply anything with 0, that is also 0. So, plus 2 into 0 is also 0. Then, we get the answer as 0 minus 5. So here the case is -5, so that is negative value. So if you see that if the value is less than 0, then the points lies inside the circle. Since it is negative value, so it lies inside the circle. So 0, 0 lies inside the circle. Next we will substitute -4, -3. So if we substitute in the equation 1, in place of x -4 and place of y -3, we get as -4 the whole square plus -3 the whole square minus 5 into -4 plus 2 into -3 minus 5. So -4 the whole square is minus will become positive, so that is 16. Similarly, -3 into -3 means minus will become positive, so that is plus 9, and -5 into -4 is plus 20, so -6 -5, so that is 45 minus 11, so that we get answer as 34. So once again we get the value is greater than 0. So since it is greater than 0, we can write as minus 4 comma minus 3 lies outside the circle. So these are the simple way to apply the value, and we can check whether it can lies inside, outside or on the circle. Hope you understood. Thank you.